Hi you guys. So today I got my Jilted Elf body spray from Lush USA, and I know that lots of you were wondering what it was like, so I'm going to try them today. Now, Lush made a shower jelly called Jilted Elf many years ago, and so this body spray was made with the scent of that shower gel. It's got such an entirely different scent than anything Lush has made. And it's supposed to be, I have the feeling, get the feeling from Lush, it's supposed to be that sort of jumbled up kind of notes to make this scent. I'm going to read the ingredients. It says this has cinnamon leaf oil, ginger oil, grapefruit oil, and osmanthus. So osmanthus, it's from the bitter orange tree. It's a cousin of the bitter orange tree. Grapefruit oil smells citrusy, of course. Ginger smells sort of zingy and spicy, and cinnamon smells like cinnamon. So, just want to make sure that that's it. Okay, so we have bitter, citrus, zesty, and sweet and spicy, okay? So all of those things together, it's very different, that's what I say. So. It's really nice. It's such a different scent. Okay, so nothing stands out. Like, I smell the cinnamon. I barely smell the ginger. I barely smell the grapefruit, but it's there. And oh, Lush also made a fun bar for those of you who tried it a few years back called Elf on a Shelf that also has the same scent as the Jilted Elf jelly and body spray. So it's subtly sweet, okay? It's not what I would call a sweet fragrance. Let me try the other arm here. I smell the ginger. Yep. I smell vague cinnamon. So it smells vaguely sweet, spicy, like that. Does that make sense? When I first sprayed it on and smelled it, it smelled kind of like chocolate to me, but now it doesn't. It's so different. It's difficult to describe this, but it's a playful blend. This says, it's time to have some fun. Revel in this playful blend of sharp grapefruit and spicy cinnamon. So sharp, spicy, and ginger has that sort of almost burning bite of ginger, raw ginger root. So spicy cinnamon, sharp citrusy grapefruit. It just, for some reason, my skin just goes, and it just sucks it all into my skin so that I can barely even smell it now. I have extremely dry skin, and I live in the desert, and I live on the sun, okay? So that's why we have this kind of thing go on, where my skin is just dying for moisture, so I put perfume on it, and this goes. It's very different. If you want something that's different, this is definitely the most different scent. It has this whiff of all the notes blended together when it's wet. Smell kind of like chocolate, okay? Don't go running out going, oh my God, it smells like chocolate. No, okay? Just for brief moments, when it's first wet, it does smell like yummy, almost like chocolate. I like it. I don't love it, and I certainly don't hate it. It's nice. I mean, if you want something different than the usual citrus scents or floral scents or candyish scents that Lush has in the body sprays, then this would be the one. But if you like things that are pretty smelling, then you may not like this, but you might. I just highly suggest that you try this in the store before you buy it, okay? So no one thing sticks out. In other words, it doesn't smell like a citrusy grapefruit perfume with osmanthus and ginger root in it. No. It also doesn't smell like anything resembling the ginger fragrance. Nope. It doesn't smell anything like gingerbread. Nope. On this arm, when it dries down, I like it. You know, it smells like just something different, but nice, like it's cinnamony, and it's kind of got this bright note. It's definitely not as strong as some of the other Lush body sprays, in my opinion, on me anyway. You know, for instance, like the Sex Bomb Lush body spray. If I spray that on myself, I can smell it a couple hours later. But this one, I don't think that I would be able to smell a couple of hours later. I could be wrong though. So after it dries down, it's different when it dries down because, first of all that alcohol has evaporated, so it's not wet anymore. And so what's left is the notes of the fragrance. I would call it a playful kind of a scent. It does get a bit sweeter as it dries down. So now it's kind of more of a playful fragrance. It's subtly sweet of cinnamon, and then the citrus and the ginger are kind of like in the background. So it actually gets better when it dries. So does that make sense? So there really isn't anything that I can think of right now that is close to the way this smells, so I can compare it to something. I don't know. I can't. It doesn't really smell. It doesn't smell like any other product whatsoever, except for Elf on a Shelf Fun Bar and the Jilted Elf Shower Jelly. So if you like those, if you like the Jilted Elf Shower Jelly and the Elf on a Shelf, which I know some of you do, then you will like the Jilted Elf, okay? Because it does smell like the shower jelly mostly, and of course the Fun Bar, but the Fun Bar wasn't as fragrant as the jelly, in my opinion, and the body spray. Okay, so rating. I don't know, either a 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5. I rate this a 3.5 out of 5. So I would suggest it if you like different scents, if you like the Jilted Elf scent, if you like cinnamon, grapefruit, and ginger. Okay, and so that's the Jilted Elf body spray. You can spritz this all over your body for a lingering perfume, or you can apply it throughout the day for a fragrant top-up. And Osmanthus Absolute gives this body spray some good staying power so we can all enjoy ourselves a bit longer. Things with Osmanthus. Okay, so remember the Plum Rain shower gel? Plum Rain shower gel, not Plum Duff. Remember that? It was sweet and fruity and plummy, and then it had this bitter note. That is Osmanthus. So now you know, kind of add some cinnamon and a little pop of grapefruit to that. Alrighty, so I hope that helps. And thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you next on the next Lush Christmas 2021 demo video. I'm doing a lot of them this week. And again, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.